birds flying high. Sun in the sky, sun in the sky. You know how I feel.
Hi guys, welcome back. Yeah, we're back again on the project for this week's update. See how things are progressing. I've managed to get another receiver for my wireless mic system, so I've got two transmitters and one receiver now. So I've made sure I didn't park too close to the drain system. I made sure I'm well set up before I get out the car. So anyway, let's get on with the show around. Okay, here they've pretty much finished the fascia of the garage and entrance area. They're busy putting the dado up on top there, cable for the security, which is looking absolutely fantastic. I love the finish on it. You see how they put the drip line in, you know, that's the same as what we do in the UK on the cells and all that. So when it rains, the water doesn't travel all the way back, so it'll actually go so far then drop down, so you don't get any water travel. Okay, now into the garage area. As you can see, they're using a green gypsum board here. This is what you call like an external board for ceilings, because it can withstand the weather much better. Where internal you'll have like a grey board, this is actually a green board. Again, in the storeroom, getting pretty much ready for skimming the ceiling there. I'll try and get in, but yeah, they're just boxed in the drain pipe there, and you can see the Berger, which is pretty good skim coat. That's what they're putting on all the walls, internal walls and that. And that's that there. And the tiles for the pool. Okay. Right. Blue Mountain stone, I absolutely love this stone. Looks great, gives it a great finish. Obviously there's still pointing up to do here. You know, not finished yet, so this is going to look absolutely amazing. So when they do the sand wash for the steps and all that, this column here is going to be same as the walls. So you got Blue Mountain stone columns. So there's one there, 2, 3, 4, 5. They've just finished sanding this one down, ready for paint, prime and paint, and they've finished doing all the parapets up here with the dado and architrave. Still getting on the boundary wall. Today is Sunday the 8th of December. For the lighting, so we've got all this to fill in, all the gaps to fill in with it, like it's like an epoxy cement filler that we'll use for that, and then rub it down and skim coat it. And here you see they're actually doing the tiling now, a nice grey tile, satin finish. And what they do, you see how tight the joints are there. What they do, they use the strap stuff, you know, for boxing, you know, when all the strap stuff, they actually strip that down and use it as a spacer. There you see some there. There you go, and that's what they use for the spacing. And they've got all the lines in for the finish height, all the way around. This cable hanging down, this is part of the security system, the Viper window, sensors that we put in. for if you open and close the window, you know it's got a sensor built in, so all windows and doors are well secured. Here you'll have like a sounder siren built in here for the security system. Yeah, okay, well, we'll start off with the master bedroom. As always, they've got the lines in, so they follow the tile throughout the whole building, you know, so everything matches in. And you see the line in there, the height line. There you go. This is the tiles that we're using. From Malaysia. Into the walk-in closet. Yeah, they've done the lines again for the tiling. Sockets and that for the built-in wardrobes that's going here. The lighting for inside the units on both sides. So there'll be switches here for that. Oh, on that side I should say. Bathroom, to get this one prepared for skimming. I just finished off doing the plumbing. All the toilets I'll show you in one of the other rooms that they've actually, the system that we're using for the flush system, which is actually pretty good. And just finish off, just make sure we've got all the drain systems in the right place. Okay, so this is the master bathroom. This is looking absolutely amazing. And again, as you can see, the tiles follow all the way through the whole building. Yeah. So into the second bedroom. There you go, and there's all our spaces. You can see. Oh, looking amazing. Walk-in closet. Okay, now into the bathroom. Here's the tiles for this one, like a marble, Italian marble effect. And this is the flush system that we use for the toilets on all the houses. So you got your, which will be in the wall there. So there's a cabinet that gets built around here. Oh, wow, one hell of an echo in here. Again, shower area, hot water, cold water. You see the green pipe, green fitting there, and the blue fitting there for the. Right, so obviously you'll have a step into the shower unit, big glass panel here. This is a wet room, so obviously that's a drain system for the wet room, toilet, hand basin, shaving socket. Okay, again mark all the way around for the tiles, tile finish. This one they're doing a couple of alterations here. For the toilet, on the toilet to here, putting the shower there, and this is going to be the hand basin and another shower socket. Again, for the security for the windows, for the latches. Looking good. Not much done in here apart from just cemented up. Not ready for the hot water system. So you got your cool feed in, hot water feed out, and power supply for it. Third bedroom. Again, just start tiling this. This is the boundary wall. Here they are putting the ductwork in for wall lights. And again, same again here. Or the Viper system alarm. So all the windows again. In the alarm system, which is normally about a 7-zone alarm system they fit in, or how many windows and doors there is. Each one will be allocated a zone. Kitchen. Okay, let's go over to the pump room. It's pretty windy today. I mean, the wind's now coming from the north. That's north up there. The wind's coming over this way from China, so that's why we're starting to get a cold breeze, cold weather now. So it's quite nippy in the morning. I mean, up in Shanghai it's about 8 or 9 degrees. Here in the morning it's about 12, 13 degrees. So it's about 5 degrees difference between Shanghai and Chonburi. Right, this is the punt room I was telling you about before, where they put the floor in, putting the walls in, and that's the hatch down there into the tank. And they're putting the slabs in, ready for doing the pour on top, with the drain system going around, and they'll have the water run off somewhere for the roof. And this boundary wall actually comes straight up here, on the edge and then around the corner, so they've still got to skim this wall. There you go. And there's the guys putting the walls in, all with the Blue Mountain stone. Absolutely beautiful job. No barking dog today. See how they've got the lines in here for the heights and the width, the height they want to get up to today, and the width of the wall, you know, so very good. I haven't done anything else on the swim pool this week. So I'll be looking forward to cracking on with the landscaping on this soon. So I spoke with the developer. He's reckoned will be done by end of February, all furnishings in. So if anyone would like to come and have a look around, you're always welcome. So yeah, if you want to come and have a look, you're always welcome. There's a few questions I got asked. To buy a property here, can you pay for this in installments? Well, yes, you can. Also, how do you actually own a property like this? There's two ways of doing it. I mean, if you're just a foreigner, you can actually purchase the land and put in a company name, and you pay a small amount of tax per year on that, and you can own the land. Yes, you have Thai shareholders, but they sign everything over to you as you got the control. So you can hold 49%, and the others will hold whatever percentage between 3 others. So that's normally the case. So then you've got the full control. The other way is if you have a Thai partner, or you buy it in a Thai, you buy the land in a Thai name, you put a 30 plus 30 plus 30 year lease in your name. And that lets you, they can't do anything without you. They can't sell the land underneath you, and you can own the house outright anyway. Because the only thing here, you can't physically buy the land in your name unless you've got PR, permanent residency, or you got 40 million baht in the bank but you're allowed to buy only one rai of land and build a house on for residency only. They're the only ways that you can actually own land and own a house here. The majority of the people that actually buy on these properties, they buy for investment. We've had one guy, okay, he's bought two. One he lives in, one he rents out. The rental on these houses is about 120 to 150,000 a month. That's Thai baht. Yeah, you can pay in installments. You know, normally they'll pay 30%, then so on, then another 30%, then another 30%, and then 10% on the finish. You know, but if you want a mortgage, there is ways you can do that, where you'll get maybe a 40% or a 60% mortgage. You know, but you have to put a certain amount of money down. You know, and you have to. Some other stuff about that, but I mean, I can find out for you if you're interested in doing that, buying and building in Thailand, you know. So there you go. Yeah, that drain still haunts me. Yeah. Anyway, thanks to my client, I'm doing a job for now, building a sound music studio. I'll actually put the videos up for that soon. I didn't video all of it, but I did take photos from the beginning, and then I started videoing it. Oh, yeah, screen's gone off. Okay, so yeah, I'll show you on that, and it was good enough to get me a new system after watching my video. Well, not that I was expecting anything, but I appreciate it. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. If there's any other questions you'd like us to answer, please leave them in the comments below, or email me if you want a bit more personal stuff. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.